Hello, everybody. So I wanted to do this taste test like 2 weeks ago when I got this drink, but now is the time because now I'm gonna drink it. It's been about a week. All right, so matcha bar. I feel like we're really close. Hustle, matcha energy, sparkling peach, 120 milligrams of caffeine, which isn't much, but I haven't had like any caffeine, like hardly any, the past week. And I just need it. It's gonna be a long day. It's Thursday. No added sugar. Matcha energy beverage. Along the top, where does this start? Serve cold, shake what your matcha gave you. Serve cold, shake what your matcha gave you. Do I shake this? uh, Powered by positivity. Feel good? Order at MATCHABAR.com. Matcha, let's get this like dude doing something. No crash, no jitters. One can, one energy drink. Keeps you focused with L-theanine? That's a new one. Haven't heard of that. Alright, I'm going to go through the nutrition facts so you guys can look at whatever. I'll just scroll you around here. Fruit juice, 29%. Ingredients, carbonated water, peach juice, ceremonial grade matcha. I don't know what matcha is, but I've heard of it. Yuzu extract, peach flavor, green tea extract, lemon extract, lactic acid, chlorophyllin, lime extract. Nutrition facts. Serving size is 1 can. Calories is 40. Total fat 0 grams. Sodium is 5 milligrams. Total carbs is 10 grams. Dietary fibers is 4 grams. Total sugars 5 grams. Wait a second. Included 0 grams added sugars. Protein 0 grams. Potassium is 260 milligrams. We have offset the carbon footprint of this beverage. Okay, wait. It says no added sugar. Yeah, but I think every can says no added sugar. I don't know. Alright, well, someone will understand that. I'm going to go ahead and try this. I don't like the smell of it at all. What is that? Every drink gets worse. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. That's so bad. What is this? Oh. Woo. I can't drink anymore. That's rough. I'm gonna have to get my caffeine from somewhere else. Woo, that is. Let me know if you try this in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Toodles.